Signing up to Cademy is super easy. You just go to our website, click on the sign up button on the top right, then choose to sign up as an educator. You'll be taken to the sign up page, and here you'll be able to enter the name of your school first of all, and I'll just go and enter example school. And if you operate as an individual, not as a school, you can just enter your name in here and that's going to be fine. It's going to show me here underneath the URL under which my profile will be hosted. And I can change that if I want to by clicking on it and change it to whatever I want. So this will be the URL where my courses will be listed. In this case, I don't really need to do that. I'll just leave it as it is. You can pick a category and a location for your school, and this will help us when we target advertising ads on social media and on Google to make sure they're targeted for the right people in the right locations. Next, you enter your details. So these will be the details that you'll use to log into your account. I'll just use like this, and you'll have to create a password for your account, which has to be at least 8 characters, and use one symbol or number and one uppercase letter. Let's click sign up, and boom, now I'm logged in as well. So what's going to happen now is we're going to send you an email, and if you just check your inbox, you're going to see that you'll have an email from us. Simply click on that button here, and that's going to verify your email. We do that to essentially double check that you're not a bot, and just to keep things safe and reduce spam. There you go. Now I'm up and running with my Cademy account, and you can go ahead and start creating courses. Thanks and take care.